Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss numerical based on chapter work and time. So let's see the numericals that comes in your examination. Okay, quite simple one. I don't think so there is much to do. Now this type of question also come to your gate examination. Raman is 24% more efficient than Aman. If Aman can complete a piece of work in 25 days, Raman can complete the same work in. So here it is, let's assume that Aman can write 100 pages in a day, right? Raman is 25% more efficient. What that means, Raman can write in 25 pages in a day, right? And Aman can do this piece of work in 25 days. So 25, this is of Aman. So how many pages Aman wrote? 500. Now it is asked in how many days Raman can. So Raman, you don't know the number of days, but you know the number of pages he have to write. That is 2500. So this comes out to be, you can divide it, this comes out to be 20 days. So option number 4 is the right answer. Very simple, right? You have to make things simple, then study become very interesting. Now this question came to your gate examination. A is 20% more efficient than B. If B can alone finish a work in 12 days, in how many days can A can finish the same work? Okay, so let assume B can make 10 chair in a day, and A is 20% more efficient. Means you have to 20% more efficient means 120. It 120% upon 100. What means by percentage? Percentage means simply it is a ratio divided by 100. With reference to 100, whatever there we call this as percentage. So 20% more, 100%, 20% more than B. That means 10 into 120 upon 100. So this comes out to be the number of chair that A can make in a day. He can write 12 pages and B can write 10 pages. So A can write 12 pages in a day, B can write 10 pages in a day, and B worked for 12 days. So he worked for 12 days. So how many chairs he made? 20 chairs. And A can make 12 chairs in a day. So how many days he will take to write those 120 pages? 120 pages or chair, anything. So he will take 10 days. 10 days is the right answer. Simple. Okay, this is a bit difficult question. First, I want you people to try this, then you can see the solution. P is 4 times more efficient than Q. Let's assume that Q can write 10 pages, P can write 40 pages. If P can complete a piece of work 45 days less than Q, suppose Q can complete a work in X days, so P can complete it in X minus 45 days. Less, that means minus, right? If both of them work together, then in how many days they can complete the work? Okay, so here you can equate Q can write 10 pages in a day, and he worked for X days, right? You don't know. And here P can write 40 chairs in 40 pages in a day, and it take 45 days less than this. So you will get the number of days by equating it. It comes out to be 10x equal to 40x minus this into this. When you do, then what it comes out to be 40 into 45 generally do. So this comes out to be 0 0 this and 20 18. Okay, so this comes out to be 1800. 1800. So you can send it here, you can send this one there. So this comes out to be 1800 equal to 30x. So you will find out the number of days that are required by Q to complete the work. That comes out to be 60 days. So in 60 days, you can complete the work. And in how many days P can complete the work? 45 days less. So 60 minus 45, that is equivalent to 15 days. he can complete the work. In how many days they both can work and complete the work together. So Q can complete in 60 days, P can complete in 15 days. So the number which can be divided by both 60, right? That means Q can write one page in a day, P can write 4 pages in a day. They together write 5 pages in a day. And how many pages they have to write? 60 pages. 60 divided by 5, that is equivalent to 60 divided by 5, that is equivalent to 12 days. In 12 days, they can complete the work. Next question, you can see 12 men, or that means you can simply wait it in 14 days. Why I am writing this 14 separately? Because maybe they can give you some different data as well. 12 men can complete a work in 8 days, or 15 women in 6 days. So in that case, you have to remember that you have to multiply days. That's why I am telling you that. This can be cancelled out. So 12 men upon 15 women. So this can be sent here, this can be sent here. This comes out to be 5, right? That comes out to be 15 by 12. So 3 from 3 table it can be divided. So men can write 5 pages in a day. Female woman can write 4 pages in a day. In how many days 7 men and 5 women can complete the work? So now we have to take out the work. 14 days they worked, and how many men was there? 12 men. So one man can write how many pages? 5 pages. So 12 into 5, that comes out to be 60. 60 into 14. 60 into 14 when you do, then it comes out to be 840. So 840 pages they have to write, and 5 men and 7 men and 5 women. So 7 into how many pages a man can write? 5 pages. How many pages women can write? 5 women. And how many pages one woman can write? 4 pages. How many they have to write? 480 pages. So the number of days it was asked, 35. Okay, 7 into 5 plus 20 into number of days equal to 840. This comes out to be 55. When you divide 840 by 55, so we'll get the answer. Please find out what is the answer. Of 5 with 5 you can divide it. So when you divide it by 5, then here 134, 34 comes, that means 648. So this you have to again solve it. This will be somewhere around 13 point something days. 13 point something days this will be. Okay, now this question is a bit different. If Karan can do 1/4 of the total work in 3 days and Arjun can do 1/6 of the work in 4 days, how much will Karan get if both work together and paid rupees 10,000 in total? This question was asked in your GATE exam. So I told you whenever there is fraction, you have to take a number that can be divided by both the fractions. So I can take 24. So 1/4 of 24, that is equivalent to 6. So 6 pages Karan can write in 3 days. So in one day, how many pages Karan is writing? Karan is writing 2 pages. 2 pages in a day Karan is writing. And Arjun write 1/6. So what is 1/6? 4 page. 4 pages, right? 1/6 of 24, that comes out to be 4 pages. And in how many days it is writing? 4 days. So in one day, Arjun is writing 1 page, right? So Arjun is writing 1 page 1 day. Karan is writing 2 page in 1 day, right? So how much will Karan get paid if they work together and paid rupees 10,000? So 10,000 is the amount. Out of this total page they write 3, in which Karan write 2 pages. 2 pages Karan write. So you can directly what can do, out of 3 pages, 2 pages is written by Karan. So 2 by 3. This you can solve. It comes out to be 20,000 by 3. This comes out to be your 6.6 something. Okay, 6,000 something out of 6,000 something, 6,667 something Karan will get, and 3,000 something will be get by Arjun. Okay, simple question. Just you need to find the concept, and in your gate exam, such questions will come where two, three concept is merged. Thank you.